Imagine creating high-quality sound effects without a professional studio, expensive gear, or even recording a single sound. What if I told you that all the sound effects you just heard were generated with AI, using nothing but text prompts? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create amazing sound effects with AI in just a few clicks. Sound effects are the secret ingredient that brings videos to life. Whether it's a swoosh for a transition or the roar of an engine, the right sound can elevate your content and keep your audience engaged. The tool we'll be using today is ElevenLabs, which I like to call the ChatGPT of voiceovers and sound effects. The best part? It has a generous free tier of 10,000 credits so you can start creating without spending a dime. Alright, let's jump in and see how easy it is to generate AI-powered sound effects. Go to the ElevenLabs website, click on the Go to App button in the top right and log in or create an account if you don't have one. Once inside, click on Sound Effects from the sidebar menu. You'll see a simple interface with different options to tweak your sound effects before generating them. Before we start creating, let's explore some settings that can help you get the best results. You can set how long the sound effect should be. Enable this toggle to let AI pick the best duration automatically. Adjust the slider to control how closely the output follows your text prompt. Now let's generate some sound effects. ElevenLabs provides some preset examples to try out. Let's start with one of them. I'm selecting car whizzing by and clicking Generate Sound Effect. In just a few seconds, we get 4 different versions. Let's play them. You can pick the one you like and download it instantly. Now let's get creative and try our own prompts. First, let's generate a river flowing sound. I enter the prompt and hit generate. And there you go, a realistic river sound, all generated by AI. Now let's try something different. A swoosh transition sound. Listen to that. Crisp, clean, and professional sound effect, and that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can create high-quality sound effects using AI. No microphones, no recording, just pure creativity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI-powered content. See you in the next video.